far as acquiring customers, there's no better way than affiliates. If you're not in the affiliate space, if you're not in the direct response space, you're not growing it anywhere as fast as you could be.
So this is our Platinum Award. We got it this year. It just showed the hard work that we put in, that it wasn't for nothing.
From the time that we first said, let's get into direct response, to the time we reached platinum status, it all happened within about 12 months.
2023, we're ready and we're primed. We're gonna set records.
Acquiring customers at break even, let alone profitable, is almost unheard of, at any kind of scale anyways. But to be able to scale it all, affiliates is the way to do it. Affiliates is the best way to acquire customers online.
I knew about ClickBank. I live in Boise, and so ClickBank's here. I've always seen them pass on the freeway, the big building. Our brains clicked and said, you know what? Direct response is what we need to be at.
Hitting our first offer on ClickBank was a great experience. The onboarding team and everything was amazing.
This is the first offer that we had on ClickBank. It's called Smile. It's Anointed Nutrition is the brand. This offer has done over 6 figures.
Once we got it on there, connected us to a lot of affiliates. Acquiring customers is how you grow a business in this crazy e-com world. We were able to get some sales right away, but it probably took us about 6 months to really get dialed in, really figure things out, and really start scaling. Some split tests had to happen. We had to dial things in. We had to get some key affiliate partners. A lot of people want 1 million affiliates. What it is we were able to get 2 or 3 great partners that we were able to work closely with, get them the resources they need to get them to be able to send us some scale, and that's when we saw things really take off. Direct response is in the psychology of there's a pain point and we're solving that pain point and we're creating an environment where someone's gonna buy today. True power of direct response is being able to acquire customers that now you own, that then you can monetize for the following months, the following years. It allows you to actually acquire the customers.
As we went along, Kyle and team got this first CBD supplement on ClickBank for ingestible. This brand here has done over 7 figures, and then we have made NanoEase, which basically is the same thing, but it's just a different funnel. It's a different marketing angle.
We have our fulfillment center and the products are warehoused there. Orders come in, they go out in real time.
I just wanted something that was close, something that I could go to, talk to. Having ownership in there has helped because if we need something a little bit faster, we can say, hey, what can we move around to make this happen? When we give them a date, we're gonna hit that date, right? But if there is something that can be moved or somebody that can work a different shift or a later shift so we can get products out has helped tremendously.
At Lionheart Legacy, our mission is to essentially change people's lives, to give them natural products that can enhance their lives, better their lives, and do it through the power of nanotechnology without the downsides and side effects of things like pharmaceutical drugs or over-the-counter drugs.
We don't want just a supplement just to make money. It's about how many people can we help. We don't want to just sell a bunch of supplements just so we can get rich, have a house on the hill. I want to help people along the way. We want to build a sustainable brand, something that was truly helping people and something that will be here 2, 3, 10 years down the road. If you're new to this and you're thinking about joining ClickBank and putting your offer on there, I would say absolutely do it. ClickBank has everything all in one place. They have the affiliates, they have the platform.
ClickBank is the original, the biggest, the best, the juggernaut in the space. ClickBank has all the relationships, gonna have you at all the best networking events. Being a platinum vendor with ClickBank definitely comes with its perks. I mean, you get your own rep that'll take care of you. You get paid out multiple times a week, and cash flow is king.
Our account manager on ClickBank has been tremendous to our success. She helps tremendously on anything we need. If we say we need something on Skype, she's literally back to us that same day and getting us what we need. From going from a mall kiosk selling one product to having 3 brands, a company, office downtown that we own, to doing 7 figures, it feels amazing.
We're always moving the goalposts and we're always moving it in that direction and always trying to learn new things and get bigger, get better.
We're not where we want to be, but we are going in the right direction. Like I said, 2023 is going to be a year that we set records. We're going to be top 10 offer on ClickBank.
As far as CBD products go, I don't believe that there's a better CBD product on the market than ours. ClickBank is second to none in this space and definitely has its advantages of connecting you to the top affiliates, connecting you to the other top marketers in the space, providing you the insight and the support that you can only wish for.